Assalamualaikum. Fahad Hassan, registration number 16TE10. Today the topic of our discussion is frequency sampling design method. In the previous lectures we had discussed about Fourier transform design and Fourier transform design with windowing. Now this is an alternative to both of these methods. Now what is the advantage of using frequency sampling method? The advantage of using this method is its design flexibility. Now, before discussing the formula, we will discuss the terms involved in it. For example, h of n is the causal impulse response, where n goes from 0, 1 up to capital N minus 1. Similarly, capital H of k represents the discrete Fourier transform coefficients, where k also goes from 0 to capital N minus 1. Now, formula to calculate FIR coefficients is h of n equal to 1 over n, 1 over capital N summation k equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 h of k e minus j k 2 pi small n divided by capital N. Now there is also a simplified form of this formula, which we can write as 1 over 2m plus 1 into h naught plus 2 summation k equal to 1 to m h of k cos 2 pi k into n minus capital M divided by 2m plus 1. Now this is the simplified form to calculate causal impulse response h of small n. Now discussing the design procedure. The design procedure is as follows. First, we know that 2m plus 1 is the filter length, and this filter length is always given to us. The next thing is to specify magnitude frequency response as h of k at omega k equal to 2 pi k divided by 2m plus 1, where k goes from 0 to m. M means for the frequency range. We have to consider the frequency range also. The frequency range is from 0 to pi. In the next step, we have to calculate the filter coefficients, FIR filter coefficients, by using which formula? By using this formula, the simplified version. By using this formula, we can calculate the FIR filter coefficients in the next step. So step number 2 is to calculate FIR filter coefficients. And in the last step, what we have to do is we use symmetry to determine rest of coefficients. Means h of small n equals to h of 2m minus n, where n goes from capital M plus 1 up to 2 into m. This was the design procedure. In the upcoming lecture, I will discuss an example related to frequency sampling design method. Thank you for watching.